Hey everyone! Today we're diving into 5 simple morning habits that can transform your health and kickstart your day. These aren't just random tips, they're science-backed practices that can boost your energy, mood, and overall well-being. Let's get started. Number 1. Hydrate right away. After hours of sleep, your body needs hydration. Drinking a glass of water first thing jumpstarts your metabolism and helps flush out toxins. Pro tip: add a squeeze of lemon for an extra vitamin C boost and to aid digestion. Number 2. Move your body. You don't need an intense workout. Just 5-10 minutes of stretching, yoga, or a brisk walk can do wonders. It increases blood flow, releases endorphins, and sets a positive tone for the day. Number 3. Practice mindfulness. Take a few minutes to meditate, practice deep breathing, or simply sit in silence. This reduces stress, improves focus, and helps you approach the day with a calm, clear mind. Number 4. Fuel your body. Don't skip breakfast. Choose nutrient-rich foods like oatmeal, eggs, or a smoothie. A balanced meal provides energy and helps stabilize blood sugar levels throughout the day. Number 5. Set daily intentions. Take a moment to jot down your goals or intentions for the day. This simple act of planning can increase productivity and give you a sense of purpose. There you have it. 5 easy habits that can revolutionize your mornings and set you up for success. Remember, consistency is key. Try incorporating these into your routine for at least 21 days to make them stick.